Dear students, in this example, an electron fall from the rest in the uniform electric field which is in upward direction through the vertical distance h. Now by reversing the direction of electric field through the same distance, a proton is allowed to fall from the rest. We need to calculate time for electron. Okay. In case of electron, electric field is upward, so this is positive and here is negative, so electron will attract. In case of proton, electric field is downward, so here is positive and here is negative, so again proton has the positive charge, so it will experience attraction. So we can easily use equation of motion. So by using equation, we have distance and initial velocity is 0. Okay, so we will use the equation s is equal to ut plus 1/2 at square for electron, and for proton s is equal to ut plus 1/2 at square. Okay, we know that fall from the rest, so initial velocity is 0. Okay, we know the distance covered small h, so h is equal to 1/2 at square for electron and h is equal to 1/2 at square for proton. We don't have acceleration, so what is acceleration? Using the equation F by m, the force experienced is Q into E divided by mass. See, electric field is uniform, charge is similar for both, mass is different for electron and for proton. We know that mass of proton is greater than the mass of electron. Okay, so by keeping in mind here, we will find for electron because we need to calculate time for electron. So h is equal to 1/2 in this equation. Acceleration is E into Q divided by mass of electron into t square. So what is t? T is equal to 2 times mass of electrons divided by h into E into Q. Okay, for both electron and proton, h is similar, E is uniform, charge is similar, so we can say कि t square is directly proportional to mass. Now we know that mass of proton is greater than the mass of electron. So as the mass increases, time requirement also increases. Higher the mass, higher the time required, and smaller the mass, smaller the time. So time period is directly proportional to the mass, and mass of electron is less. Time fall for electron is also smaller as compared to the time required for proton. So smaller is the correct answer, or we can also say that electron will come fast as compared to the proton.